we just got the cookbook for Chloe, the Descendants Rise of Red. Like I said, on here you have one doll, one cookbook, one fizzy ball, one slime powder, and 4 accessories. Alright. Let's look on the side. Here's this in the back. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. That to the side. Okay, I'm gonna take these off. I also have my kids here. I have the girls here. Alright, so now we're going to open it up. Well, let's talk about it. So, got the little skull and it's the little potion. Alright, this is for the key. This is the clock, right? This is the watch.
Yeah.
Alright, got that. So, I think we open it up on the side, right?
Yeah, I think we opened it from there.
You gotta
Lift it up like this.
Here we go.
Oh, okay. Wow, okay. So we have the instructions. Okay, so here is the it looks thirsty. Okay, so I'm guessing I keep this on her.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so I put this on here. Oh, okay. So come with this, so we're just gonna have to sit this in here. Alright, now we need. So, Naya, can you open up one? Yep, there you go.
Somebody's in there. Somebody's in there.
Okay, what is that?
I think it's.
Got it. You want to just take this out? We can just take this out. Okay, let's just take this out. Go ahead and get it out for me, please.
I think it's.
Oh, this is the slime. Go ahead, baby.
This is. Oh. This song.
So I think this is slime. Okay, and Shiny, can you open this one? So let's open up this one. So open up 2. Let's see what's in here.
Yeah.
It is the.
Ooh. Okay. What's this, fizzy ball? Okay. Oh, we're gonna take this out of the way.
Yeah.
We're gonna move that to the side. Okay. So which one are we doing? I guess we can do the. Which one y'all want to do? Y'all want to do the slime or this one?
That one.
This one?
That.
Yeah, we're gonna do this one first. Let's do this one because from the looks of it, this is gonna open up the key.
Yeah.
It's gonna be able to open up this, okay? So we're not gonna do the slime today, all right, or just yet. So we're gonna put that to the side for now, but we will be doing this one. So we need some water. So I need to take this out, correct? So we don't need this little cup.
No.
All right. So now we need. Thank you, baby. We gotta fill this up. I think that's enough. That's it? Okay. Alright, now we're going to just open this up. Slide this here. Alright. Okay, take that out. Can you drop it in there?
Wow.
Okay, we got a little timer. Okay. Oh, I started stirring it, right? We gotta stir it.
Yes.
It's my turn.
You have to mix it before
You dropped it in there, okay?
comes out.
Mommy. Oh, I think I put too much, y'all. Oh no, it's supposed to do this.
Yes.
Okay.
Like a
We're
potion.
making a potion. We're making a potion.
I turn to mix.
Hold on, baby.
So it's supposed to rise.
Oh, I think I need to get rid of this.
Yeah.
No. I'm sorry. I should have been took that out. Okay.
Look at the color. It's blue.
Not quite. It's almost. I can see it. I can see it a little bit. Y'all see it?
No, I didn't see.
You didn't see it? Hold on. Oh, I got to.
Make a look.
What?
It's so.
It's almost. All right, we gotta stir some more.
That's the key.
All right, we have the key.
It's a key.
All right, so we got some money. So we got the key, so we're gonna clean it off. And now we're gonna slide this to the side. Now, y'all ready?
Yes. Yes.
Everybody ready? Which one? This?
Yes.
There we go. All right, it is time for the doll reveal.
See her dress. Like that.
This is the doll reveal. All right. All right, let me get some scissors.
Her shoe. I love.
Okay. So we're gonna sit that back in here.
She looks beautiful.
Let's close this up.
She's so beautiful.
She's wearing that dress. I like her shoes.
You like her boots? Her dress is pretty.
But all blue.
All right. Thank you guys for watching the unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And make sure you like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.